Could you accept this ID? Forget the blacked out marks. The reason you cannot accept this ID is, as you can see over the pictures, it's creased, tattered, torn. No, because the ID might have been tampered with in some way. Some of you may have pointed out the fact that it is punched. This ID is punched because it is expired. If an ID is punched but not expired, it is a perfectly valid ID. IDs can be punched for various reasons. Remember, punched and not expired means that it is a valid ID. You also cannot accept alien registration cards, the green card, and no, the Department of Corrections release card is not valid ID to purchase alcohol with either. This is what is considered acceptable forms of identification for liquor and tobacco sales in Washington State. The identification must show date of birth, signature, photograph bearer, and ID expiration date. If it has been punched in one of those four things, you cannot accept it. That is what we use to determine. That is in the photograph, they're of legal drinking age, and you can verify their signature. Expired is not valid. Ladies, how are you tonight?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Got some ID there?
Yes.
Your ID's expired, sweetie.
Oh. But I got the real ID though.
I understand that, but it's I got to see a valid ID. Expired ID is not valid. I can't serve you tonight until you get a valid ID.
Only this one time?
I can't. No.
No.
You know, and I understand that. I appreciate it, but I can't. Not tonight.
Okay.
Get your ID replaced. Get back in here. Thanks, ladies. Have a good evening. You can accept, number one, a driver's license, instruction permit, or identification card issued by any U.S. state. Number two, a driver's license, instruction permit, or identification card issued by any Canadian province. Number three, a valid Washington State temporary driver's license. Number four, a U.S. Armed Forces ID card, encrypted signature acceptable. Number five, a Merchant Marine ID card issued by the U.S. Coast Guard. Number six, an official passport or a passport card. And number seven, a Washington State Tribal Enrollment Card. Not all tribal cards are recognized by the Washington State Liquor Control Board. Here's the ones that are. The Nooksack Tribe, the Chehalis Tribe, the Muckleshoot Tribe, the Puyallup Tribe, the Snoqualmie Tribe, the Suquamish Tribe, the Nisqually Tribe, the Tulalip Tribe. Number 8, a driver's license, instruction permit, or identification card from any U.S. territory. Number 9, a driver's license, instruction permit, or identification card from the District of Columbia.